I'm really kind of taken back. Wow, that's awesome.
Studebaker flathead back there.
Yeah,
Right on. I'm just kind of looking around right now, taking stock. If you
go for
like, right on.
It's a little packed in here.
This is pretty cool.
Little packed.
This is pretty
A
coll.
little crazy with all
That's
these
going to a 66 Valiant.
Yeah, okay.
Pro street car.
Who wants to take credit? Where are we at?
Where are we at?
Where are we at?
Precision racing engine.
Yeah, Precision Racing.
British Columbia.
North Vancouver.
North Vancouver.
North Van.
North
Last
Van.
one left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you run this joint?
Me and the other guy up front.
Okay.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Not really. It's a lot of headache.
It's a lot of headache.
Yeah.
Is this for every engine?
Pretty much.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Do you sell that?
No, we bought that when we bought the dyno, right? So we had this made. Another guy had it, and they wanted extremely a lot of money. So
Couldn't you make that and sell that?
oh fuck yeah.
That'd be that's cool.
Great deal.
Yeah, see, there's that one, and then there's like that one right there, right?
Okay.
Oh, of course, 460s, Cadillacs, Pontiacs, right?
Do you have a crank?
Do we have a crank? Or two? Would you like to buy one? Need to get rid of them.
Wow, that's awesome.
Studebaker flathead back there.
Right on. I'm just kind of looking around right now, taking stock. If you
Go for
like,
it.
I'm really kind of taken back. When someone comes in that young that don't know anything, like are you hard on them or are you good?
No. Teach them as much as we can.
Good,
always,
good.
right?
I just remember
it's important, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you got to keep the drive alive to say, because the hot rod, everything's going away.
There you go.
Yeah.
So
this will be interesting.
This is what? What is this right here?
500 cubic inch, big block Dodge.
Okay.
All right, 1471 blower on it. So he wants to make 8 to 1,000 on the street, right? So
Okay.
gas with a little water injection in it.
What's the first thing you go to make horsepower?
What's the first thing?
Yeah.
Everything, right? I mean, it's the
cubic
inch.
If you wanted to make horsepower, if I didn't say a 350, if I wanted to make a little bit more horsepower, what's the first thing you would go to make a little more horsepower?
Stroke it.
Stroke it.
Hence all the crankshafts.
Okay.
Because they're all usually replaced with a brand new one, right?
Right.
Stroke it 383, right? Better heads, good cam.
Okay.
Match it up, make sure everything works together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What kind of dollar is that?
That's 30 plus, right? 30,000. So
okay. That's a lot of money.
A lot of it, yeah. A lot of it. He bought some of it used, right? So the heads were used. We had to service them. They're pretty beat up, right? And all kinds of shit like that, right? And then he bought that blower there, 871, and then
things change.
Yeah, as they always do with customers.
Right. They want more. They want more.
Yeah.
How many horsepower did you say?
8 to 1,000.
8 to 1,000.
I mean, that's just kind of not trying to be hard on it, right? It's still a stock block, right?
Right. Try not to be hard on it.
We've girdled it, right? Yeah. So it's got a stud girdle.
It's more than anybody needs.
Oh God, yeah. You'll never put that down on the road, right?
Okay, yeah.
I mean, well, you may, but it's.
I'm guessing.
It's gonna be all.
This is your son?
He is. Yes, I am. That's my pride.
That's your pride?
Yeah. Learning.
He knows what you know, and then he knows what he knows, so he knows more.
I'm hoping.
Learning every day, man.
Right?
Learning every day. As I do every day.
Right?
Seems like it, right?
Yeah. We do.
Yeah.
So, cool. I'm just gonna walk around here a little bit if you don't mind.
Nope.
And very nice to meet you.
Yes, you too.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. You don't get to walk into places like this sometimes. Look around.
It's very rare to see that.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No, it wasn't Friday.
Lori, you get your engines built here?
Yeah. They actually did the one in my Avanti.
Yeah.
We went through that, dropped the compression on it, made it boost friendly, put some good rods and pistons in it, and they've done a number of engines for me. And
you're right across the road.
Right across the road. So they build these engines, and these guys need a place to have them put in. We'll do it.
Show them the flag.
And Lori had a race with this guy years ago, and then
we
they
had an
became
arranged
friends.
street race through a mutual friend
A
of
couple
ours,
guys,
Moonbeam, who worked at United Delco
Yeah.
in Burnaby, and he
then Steve
knew
Holloway.
Miguel, he knew me. He set up this arranged race down at Boundary and Marine on a Friday night. We met up. We never met each other. We had a drag race, and then built a friendship for 35, 40 years after that.
I don't see that in
Killer.
you, Lori. Oh, drag race you.
Oh yeah, no, we were street racing
Yeah.
big time. We were driving around on 29 slicks,
Slicks, yeah.
going all over, down to Boundary and Marine, down to Delta Port. Spent our Friday mornings, evenings
roll
into
home
Saturday
when the
morning,
sun's coming up.
rolling home. The sun's coming up at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, whatever. We were out all night long. Those were the good years. That was 30 some odd
Wow.
years ago.
Yeah.
Street racing.
Nobody's doing that anymore.
What was you racing?
That time, well, I had a 78
your
Malibu, big block Malibu, put a big block in that thing, and then I had a 61 bubble top that I took out onto the street a bit. Then I had my 53 Studi, and yeah.
What you have?
66 Mustang. Small
Okay.
block, 200 shot nitrous. Still have the car today.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Fastback, notchback,
Coupe.
coupe.
Yeah, notchback,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
Awesome.
Yeah,
His
cool
car's
car.
still around too. It's up in
Yep.
Kelowna area now.
Yeah.
I don't know if I ever had that feeling. I'll race you. Like I never,
Yeah, no, it was
never
cool.
had-
It was just like I say, through a mutual friend that arranged this street race, and we all met up. There was a common spot, Boundary and Marine Shell, and we'd meet up there on a
She was a
Friday.
no preps
Met,
match.
You know what? Met so many good people out of that ring of
Hot rodders.
entertainment, hot rodding. And there's people that are ski and snowboard with still to this day that we met down there. We're all still good friends right now. We trip up, we do road trips, we do trips down to race events, Vegas and all that, which we're going in 3 weeks.
Yeah.
North Delta Show and Shine.
Yeah.
Cool. Show me around this place, will you, a little bit?
Well, this is the dirty side where we strip them and machine them and everything, right?
Okay, can we? What?
Oh, I thought this was the clean side.
This is
Where your nephew is.
He's in the dungeon.
so.
The lathe.
This is the lathe.
Dwayne uses it quite a bit for.
Dwayne's the
anything.
big.
The big guy there.
Yeah.
One of the owners. Right?
Yeah.
And he usually runs the dyno, sets up crankshafts, does whatever needs to be done on the lathe. Yeah, all the rods. That's a John Deere rod there, the big one, right?
Yeah. Okay.
We used to do a lot of John Deere before, and then now they kind of dwindled off a little bit. But yeah, the extra rods if you need one, right?
Right.
And then the rod machine. These are connecting rods, right?
Yeah. Show me what you would do with that. So that hones that rod
Yeah,
right
they'll
here.
hone out in here, right?
Yeah.
Put the size to the spec that you need, right? Put
Right.
new rod bolts in it, ARP rod bolts.
Yeah.
Cut the caps first, put the bolts in it, and then set the dial to what your housing is
Mm-hmm.
originally, and then hone it back to the zero where you want it.
How long you been doing this?
I've been doing it since '86.
Cool.
Yeah,
See,
right out of high school.
so you can run her, like you can make her.
Yep.
Yeah. Cool.
But we each have our designated spots in here, right?
Right.
And then
You're a profession.
Yeah, basically, try to
Basically,
do
yeah.
everything, and then but you stick to your area, right?
Yep.
But if you had to, yeah, you can get onto this, right?
Yep.
And then over here is press the pistons off. A lot of them are free floaters, so just clips.
Yep.
And then some of them you got to press off. This is a cap cutter. Put the caps in here, cut the caps so that you start with a fresh, smaller housing to hone to a nice factory housing.
Yeah. So is this honed here?
Yes, this is the bushing end. This is the one that'll have a floater. Mm-hmm. So you have clips on both sides.
Okay.
And then you'll just hone this to have the proper clearance to the wrist pin.
Okay.
These are 292 Fords.
292 for a
The
6
big
cylinder.
V8, yeah, the V8. The early ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That'd be 55, 56.
53, 54, 55.
Okay,
Yeah,
yep.
just for the overhead.
I know what you're talking about.
This is where they all start to get hot tanked and stripped. They come apart. We got carts for different ones, right?
Backing her in, feeding her right in through there.
Unload it, bring it in.
Yep.
Bring it over here, put it on the bench here. This flathead just showed up yesterday. We got to take that apart.
Right. And it's just like anything else. If you have a shop, like you say, you keep things and save things because you know things what are worth money and what are not worth money, what people need,
Yep.
and that's basically what's going on here with an engine shop.
Yeah,
Exact same as a car shop when you have stuff
Pour in
hanging
a
around.
little bit of stuff.
Yeah,
right?
for sure.
And the more room you have, the faster you fill it too, right?
That's right.
And here's an old flathead too. We did for Luke down the street.
Yeah.
This is actually an Studebaker salt flat speed racer. Like I can't remember how fast it goes. Lori would go.
So it's going to be in a race car.
Yeah, it's in a. I guess it goes down to the boys to the salt flats. Right,
Yeah.
every year. Bonneville, yeah. And then there's another one they do, and I think
Black Oak or whatever.
I think that's what he was doing also,
there's two.
right? So we
That's
put
cool.
new cylinders, new sleeves in it. We put new.
So you put
exhaust
that thing in
seats.
there?
Yep,
You-
all 8.
I can see where it's all shiny is where the work has been done?
Yeah, all the machining's been done. Right now, it's just waiting for a final wash.
A final wash.
So new exhaust seats, new cylinders. So it's back to standard bore.
Okay.
It was already maxed out.
Right.
So we took it back to original. And then new pistons go in it. And now after final wash, it gets assembled again. Right. And then hot tank, jet washer, dishwasher for all the parts.
Yeah? You throw that bad boy in there and she just stays in there?
Wash it in there. It's pretty hot, so it's like just having a washing machine, cleans it out really good. And then we pull it out of here.
What kind of detergent do you use?
It's an environmental friendly. It's like a citrus style.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like a dishwashing detergent, right? It
Okay.
used to be a little chemically. They're not allowed to use it anymore.
Right?
Same with the hot tank. It's in here too. We throw all the cast iron in here. And because it's hot with the detergent, it eats away the grease and that.
Right.
It still doesn't take the rust off, right? But
And the boss knows where everything is?
the boss does, yeah.
Do you know where everything is?
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
Is that a race car?
That's a chassis, yeah.
Yeah.
For third gen Camaro IROC. Yeah. It's up there for sale. Most of the pieces are there for it. There's a project that got halfway through it, changed direction, and now it just sits there.
Wow.
And then we use the pizza oven, heat up aluminum heads, and to push out the bronze guides. Right?
Okay. I'm listening to you. I've never done. I
absorbing
have
it
no
all.
idea.
absorbing it all.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, it's lots to take in. That's for
Yeah,
sure.
that's for sure.
Lots to look at, lots to take in, right?
I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
More machines over here. The tight space. There's a valve grinder. Right. Grind the faces of the valves
Yeah.
and the tips, right? Get them all ready, and then obviously a lot of guys go with new valves. But some of the early,
Inspiration.
yeah, that's old school.
It's old school,
That's
right?
old school.
That's
Remember,
old
you
school
can't,
inspiration, right? While you're working, you can still
6-cylinder flathead.
just watch that head there, kind
Yeah,
of.
watch that aluminum head there.
It just kind of turned there a little bit when you walk by.
No worries.
Yeah, no worries.
Just don't trip and let it fall on you. It hurts.
Yes.
Yeah, this one too. We just bored it. Now I'm just got to surface the surface on here, right?
Okay.
And then it's same thing. I'll do a final.
What do you?
hone.
How are you going to surface that on there? This thing's going to run across it?
Yeah, it's got a little cutter,
Yeah.
a little carbide disc cutter. I'll take this right here. Yeah, a little cutter there.
Did you ever set it wrong before?
In a long time ago. Oh yeah, it makes a lot of noise.
Does it?
Yeah, like,
You know right away, eh?
look,
Wow.
wasn't
Yeah, you know-
me, it was a young guy.
Yeah, you know right away.
You know right away. The whole shop knows.
Tick, tick, tick.
Oh, it makes louder bang than that. Yeah,
Okay.
the whole shop finds out really quick.
I've seen them on the internet when they're scraping down when they got a piece of sandpaper
Oh,
in
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, one of these, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
All I use that for is the high spots, get rid of any high spots.
Okay.
From the threads or anything like that, and then I can put our level on it nicer, right? This is, I think, out of a 47. I'd have to ask Ron, 47 Dodge.
Are you doing mostly old? Well, I suppose older. Everything.
Everything, yeah. Everything. We do anything from even brand new Hemis, 5.7 Hemis. I just
Yeah.
finished a set of heads, finished honing the block. We just finished balancing it, and they're going to assemble.
Are those
that one,
Hemi
so-
heads right there?
Yeah, these are early Hemi heads.
Okay.
These are early Hemi heads.
Right on.
So I got to hone the guides to fit.
What is the red inside?
A lot of guys used to use it back in the day. It helps the oil flow better.
It does feel smooth. Can I touch it?
Yeah, go for it.
It feels smoother, doesn't it?
Yeah, not many use it anymore. It's hard
Yeah.
to get nowadays.
Okay.
But back in the day, used to put it in the valley, put it in the anywhere oil is traveling. And then some
It does
guys
feel
do the
smoother, doesn't
extreme.
it?
It does. It's like
Yeah.
it's like paint, right?
I get it.
A lot of guys will polish all that stuff too to have oil return quicker. And then here we got the press Peterson drill. We'll use this sometimes for guide work or seats, like I did the
Okay.
flathead on here. This one's for the balancing. So here's our balance machine. We got the crankshaft, and we put all bob weights on it.
Okay.
Weighing everything. Spin it up on here. It tells us how much it's out, and then if we have to drill the count.
Then you bang it on the floor and then put it back on?
No, yeah, you wish. That'd be that easy. And we put it on here and drill if we have
Okay.
to, or we add weight, right? Sometimes
To-
you gotta
to
add,
balance it.
To balance it, because you're adding new piston. It could be a lighter piston, lighter rod.
Yeah. And you want to make sure it's not going to fly.
Smooth, right?
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, and that's what this machine does here. That's what we just did to the Hemi one. Like these are ready to get balanced.
right?
This one here's got to get Mallory metal. Feel the weight of that.
Wow, that's heavy.
It's heavy, yeah.
Feel that. Don't drop it. It's heavy.
So we
For a
drill,
little-
we drill the counterweight on the crank in a certain spot wherever the machine tells us where it's out, and then we press this in, and it'll make it all zero balance, make it all neutral, or external, but it'll have to match the balancer and the flex plate and all that, right?
So you have to figure that out.
Yeah, that's what the machine helps us, right?
What?
So it'll show if it's on scales.
I have to figure that out somehow.
It'll show us what side, front or rear. It'll show
Yeah.
us how much it's out, and it'll show us with a flashing light on the back and a strobe light. It shows us how far we're out and where, so that we find either remove or take away, right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. That would take a minute, wouldn't it?
Takes a minute, yeah. Wes is the balancing guy now, so.
Who's Wes? The
Over
son?
there. Yeah.
Yeah, the son, yeah.
Yeah, Dwayne's son. And then, yeah, and then
Right on.
There's by Lori's the hone for the cylinders.
Weird things like.
This is awesome.
All right.
I like
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
Huh?
that was cool. Huh?
Well, I mean, hey, when you get to see something like this?
Here's the boring bar. We'll bore it out within 3 thou of clearance. And then after,
3 thou.
yeah, 3 thou. It's not much, but it is. in this
Hair?
world. Yeah, yes, yeah. The hair, yeah.
I got new hair.
Yeah, the hair. I saw that.
Yeah. Yeah, what do you think?
Where'd you go again?
Turkey.
Turkey, that's right. Yeah, that's pretty good. So we bore
It's
it,
pretty good, he says.
get it close, and
Yeah.
then we can mock the assembly, like we can see the deck height,
Yeah.
surface it accordingly, and then it goes in here for final hone. So you can see this one's been bored, so it's not super shiny like
Yeah.
that one, look at the flathead you saw. And then
I've never seen inside of a block look like that.
This is 4.6 out of a
Okay.
Mustang, a Cobra.
Okay.
And then this is where the valley sits in. There's a water transfer tube. It goes all the way
Okay.
through here also, right?
That's why I've never seen it.
Yeah, it's a new style, right?
What's better, the 4.6 or the 5.0?
Depends. Some guys, it's either or, whatever.
Either
you
or.
do. A 5 liter is easier to work on.
Okay.
A 4.6, they do make really good horsepower, especially the Coyotes, the 5 liter Coyotes, the newer ones.
Yeah.
They make really good power, but they're a little more involved, right?
I guess that's what it takes,
Yeah,
I
a
guess.
lot of guys, they specialize in them, right? They
Right.
specialize. We'll do either or, but we got shops here in the Lower Mainland that they prefer a 4.6 or a 5.4 that's in a Lightning truck.
Okay.
And the Coyotes, the new Coyotes, they make really good power, but they all take their special little tricks to them. Right? Coyotes usually will re-sleeve all 8 cylinders with a thicker sleeve for more horsepower, and they range from 600 horse all the way to over 1,000. Right?
Is that thing they're sliding up and down through
Yeah,
there?
that's right. It in here, and then it'll automatically, it'll do the stroke. I got to keep checking with the dial, right?
Yeah.
I just had that flathead on here, right?
I don't know, but I'm listening.
You're listening, yeah.
Yes.
Absorbing all.
Yeah, well, not all of it. I'm just listening. I have no idea.
I'll send you videos.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
We'll post them for you.
Definitely. Really cool. And then our little mill here that we use for odd jobs too, right?
If you need to move a piece of metal or whatever,
Yeah, or you'll need to drill a block, or we'll have to do an intake.
drill a hole in that bad boy to put that weight
we'll do
in.
that one over there. This one here, this big one.
Okay.
We'll turn the head around. We have a jig that bolts to the bed, and it'll hold the crank.
Okay, and then you
And
can
then we'll
drill
drill through the counterweight
to put that piece in.
to put the piece in. Yeah, you get the right.
How do you
amount of
hold that
crush.
piece in there?
We press it on.
Okay.
It's got.
So you're going to the degree of that thing, and you're going one lesser, one half, or
Well,
then
you're using probably about 4 to 6 thou crush, right, to hold it in there.
gotcha. I don't know, but
And then sometimes you put it in and you weld it, like if it's on the end, we'll
Okay.
weld it full, right? Weld it
Okay.
shut, but not usually on the side like that one, right? But yeah, like this guy here is going to get sleeves. There's a couple blocks we'll get brand new sleeves for more strength, right?
Yep.
Like the flathead did.
down there. That was
Subaru.
open too far.
WRX Subaru.
WX Subaru.
Yeah, the rally racers.
Yeah.
Lots of those.
That's
These are like a sideways engine, right?
oh, okay. I was looking down there. I thought, oh, that was the engine.
this
No,
is-
no,
this-
okay.
They sit like this,
Right.
together,
Okay.
and then the transmission goes.
I like
underside.
Subaru, and I like Subaru. I like the. I
They're a
like
really
the,
good engine.
well,
They make some pretty good power.
yes, and I like to have a hood scoop, and I like to have a fin in the back,
Yeah.
and they work good. They got
do.
good
They work
horsepower.
really
I
good.
like them. They sound like they're skipping all the time.
Right.
Yeah.
It's like, brrrr. Yeah, like
Here's brand new jewelry.
Well, that baby, you buy me a ring.
There you go. Small block Chevy 400.
There you go.
Yeah, so a little bit of a dish so the compression's happy for pump gas.
We have a good guy at home, Don Best, that's helping us on the engines. Hey, Don Best, we're at an engine shop. I think you'd probably like it here, looking around.
Yeah, lots to look around
Yeah.
at. You know.
I think he'd probably like it here.
You saw the big engine on the dyno.
I did.
We're working on it, working with DHL in Brazil to try
And
to.
then here's the
They
cockpit
can
where
go
they run
pick
everything.
it up and hurry it out. And so they're not involved in it, right?
Oh, right on.
You got the throttle, you got the load, and then it's all turned off right now. So we're just setting that one up on here for you.
When will that thing be going?
We're hoping early next week.
Okay.
Dwayne's got to do a few more little things to it. We're putting water injection on it also.
And the head say Indy on them?
Pardon me?
The head say Indy?
Yeah, it's for a buddy of ours, a 500-inch big block Dodge. He's hoping to get about 900-ish horse for the street.
That'd give you a new pair of underwear, wouldn't it?
Yeah, be a lot of fun.
I never driven nothing like that in my life. Nothing.
Good Lord, take you for a ride. Too bad the weather isn't nice.
Well, I've been in cars that probably would,
Yeah.
but yeah, we've been in a couple cars that are crazy, but
But you don't like being a passenger. That's like me. I'd rather have control.
well, like I told the guy in Australia, he took me for a drag race. I said, I don't want to get hurt.
No.
So it starts swirling. Let off, please. And he did what I asked, and it was good, but
Yeah.
he had a lot more in it. He wanted to give her to her and scare me, no doubt, but he respected what I asked. It was good.
No, that's
But yeah, that's something like that there. Whoa. That's what you like, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, he says. How many horses you run in your car?
Dyno at 890 at the wheels.
But same thing.
Yeah. But on a chassis dyno, so that's putting the power through the driveline to
Okay.
the wheels. So it's 1,000. It's 1,000 on a
Okay.
engine dyno. Yeah.
So you got a $30,000 engine, $40,000 engine.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Don't say it like that.
And Wes is a young Wes built my LS3 for the Avanti. He did all the balancing and that.
Congratulations, well done.
He may have even assembled it, I think, right? He did,
Yeah.
he
I
did
think
a
I
lot
did
of that.
assemble it,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, no, it's killer.
Yeah.
And now it's built so you can put boost to it and it will survive, to the point that I need it.
Yeah.
It's good just even the way it is. It's
Makes you happy.
it's safe now, whereas it wasn't before.
Well, I appreciate you
good.
letting us look around.
You're welcome. No
Pretty
problem.
awesome.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
Bit of a scattered
That's the
mess.
water
No,
tank
it's
for the
a
dyno.
working shop, dude. That's the bottom
Yeah.
line.
Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. That's what it is, man.
Yeah, scattered mess.
People have no idea when you're doing stuff like this. Have no idea. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So we're leaving
So
for.
you went up to see Mike's stuff.
We did.
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't seen him.
Got rid of a lot of stuff, didn't
He
you?
did. Like I was kind of like, where's all like? Yeah, it's pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoy him.
It's a nice part
He's
of
down to earth. You couldn't get any more down to earth than he is.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? It was funny though. We were there, and as we were filming, the dog went in the bus and stole his brick of butter. He was running out back with the brick of butter, and he was chasing him to get the brick of butter back. It was pretty funny.
What's the Craig's? Yeah. It'd be like domino.
Yeah.
Get a sore toe.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you,
No,
thank you.
eye on that shit.
That's right. Are they all finished and ready to
Only a
sell?
couple. Most of the ones on the top are new. And some of the ones that are wrapped are finished.
What's the name of the business again?
Precision racing engines.
Precision Racing Engines. If you need a crankshaft for your engine,
350, whatever.
whatever you think you need, it possibly could be here.
Oh, yeah.
He'll sell it to you,
That's right.
Yeah.
Or the guy up front, Ron.
and you'll probably build them an engine at the same time,
If he wants.
if they want.
Yeah.
How many horsepower have you built? What's the biggest?
I guess Wong's would be up there. right?
1800
Yeah.
plus. No, Greg McKenzie's
Oh, yeah. That was.
big 540 with a Pro Charger.
Yeah? How many horsepower?
They made 1880, I think almost
Yeah,
1900
yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
in a street car.
In a street car.
Yeah, 68 Chevelle, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
How many thousand would that be?
Lots.
Oh, yeah. Nowadays it's just crazy. The price of shit.
Would that be a $100,000 engine?
No, but
60
use 30,
grand probably.
40, 50.
The blower alone's 15,000 right now.
Yeah.
You know,
Person needs to know that if they want one.
Yeah, those Pro Chargers aren't cheap.
yeah.
Horsepower's not cheap.
No, that's for sure.
I was understanding that every 100 after 300 is $1,000. Does that sound right?
After 300?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about that, and then after 600, it's a couple thousand, and after 800, it's double that again.
Right on. So if you want an engine that costs lots of money,
Bring your wheelbarrow.
bring your wheelbarrow.
Barrel full of cash.
A lot of that, it's just the parts.
I understand that. I understand
Parts
that.
are going
Yeah.
through the roof.
Labor is very little part of it. It's the
Yeah.
actual parts itself.
Yeah.
Your cylinder heads are anywhere from 10 to 15,000 for a good quality top line head. You can
That-
still buy a good $3,000-4,000 head, right?
It's good that you said that.
But there's
Yeah, it's good that you said that. It's about what you want. You know, if you want it, you got to buy it
Yeah,
and pay the price.
yeah.
And right now, what is it more because we have to ship across?
No, just the cost of everything is.
Just everything's gone up.
Yeah.
Steel's gone up. Everything's gone
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah. And pistons, they'll start for a good quality race piston. You're $1,500 to $3,000 with wrist pins and rings.
Right.
Yeah. So just
A woman likes a nice ring. Should have some good pistons. Huh?
Good trade, right?
That's right. Piston for a ring?
Are you hinting you're getting her a ring?
No.
Guess I don't have to.
You can get a piston though.
It's a little big.
Yeah, but it looks good.
It does.
That's right.
Well, happy to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you again.
All right, Chad.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, you
Thanks
too.
a lot. I appreciate it.
Here.
You take care.
All right.
If you need a crank
You need a crank?
or an engine or 2,000 horsepower,
Whatever you need.
later, guys.
Thanks.
That one there, low.
Oh, yeah. Right on, buddy. Appreciate it, Rob.
See you later.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah, you too.
See ya. After you, Princess.
That's corn. Dang it.
Yeah, no,
Where would you get see something like that?
yeah, no, it's cool.
Huh?
Okay, let's.
That's awesome.
100,000 cranks?
Well, I mean, come on.
No,